As winter fades and the fresh colors of spring begin to bloom, Easter becomes the perfect moment to refresh your home with warm, rustic charm. Rustic Easter decor celebrates natural textures, soft colors, and vintage-inspired elements that create a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. In this video, we'll explore 10 beautiful rustic Easter decor ideas that bring together farmhouse warmth, spring freshness, and timeless vintage character. Each idea is simple, elegant, and perfect for transforming your home into a peaceful seasonal retreat that celebrates the beauty of spring. Start your Easter decorating right at the entrance of your home with a charming rustic entryway display. A weathered wooden bench, wicker baskets filled with faux moss, and ceramic or wooden bunny figurines instantly create a welcoming spring scene. Add a few pastel eggs and a small bouquet of dried flowers or lavender for a vintage countryside feel. This type of entryway display not only sets the tone for your entire home but also greets guests with warmth and seasonal beauty the moment they arrive. A rustic Easter wreath is one of the easiest ways to add seasonal charm to your home. Choose a grapevine wreath as the base and decorate it with eucalyptus leaves, cotton stems, dried flowers, and small speckled eggs. Soft ribbons in neutral tones like beige, sage, or dusty pink enhance the farmhouse look. Hang the wreath on your front door or above a fireplace mantle. The natural textures and earthy colors bring a gentle spring atmosphere that feels both cozy and elegant. A wooden crate centerpiece adds beautiful rustic character to your dining or coffee table. Use an old wooden crate or distressed box and fill it with small potted plants, faux moss, pastel eggs, and a few rustic bunny figurines. You can also include mason jars with fresh flowers like tulips or daisies. The combination of wood, greenery, and soft Easter colors creates a centerpiece that feels natural, relaxed, and perfect for spring gatherings with family and friends. Your Easter dining table can become a stunning focal point with simple rustic touches. Use a linen or burlap table runner, neutral dinnerware, and wooden chargers to create a farmhouse-inspired setting. Add small nests with decorative eggs at each place setting for a charming detail. A centerpiece made of candles, greenery, and ceramic rabbits ties everything together. This kind of table styling feels inviting and warm, making Easter meals feel even more special. Mason jars are a classic element of rustic decor, and they work beautifully for Easter arrangements. Fill several mason jars with fresh spring flowers such as tulips, baby's breath, or wildflowers. Wrap the jars with twine, lace, or burlap ribbons for extra vintage charm. Place them on shelves, tables, or windowsills throughout your home. These simple floral accents instantly brighten the space and bring the fresh spirit of spring indoors. Your fireplace mantle offers the perfect opportunity to showcase a rustic Easter vignette. Layer different textures like wood frames, small wreaths, lanterns, and vintage books. Add a few neutral bunny figurines and garlands made of wooden beads or greenery. Soft candlelight and pastel eggs placed in small bowls can complete the display. The result is a balanced arrangement that feels calm, natural, and beautifully seasonal. Bunny decorations are an Easter favorite, but in rustic design they look best in neutral tones. Choose wooden, ceramic, or fabric bunnies in colors like white, beige, or soft gray. Place them on trays, shelves, or coffee tables alongside greenery and candles. Neutral bunny decor blends effortlessly with farmhouse interiors while still celebrating the playful and joyful spirit of Easter. The simplicity of these pieces keeps the overall look elegant rather than overly decorative. Decorative baskets filled with Easter eggs are a charming way to add seasonal color while maintaining a rustic style. Use woven baskets or antique-style wire baskets and fill them with moss and pastel eggs. You can place them on side tables, kitchen counters, or entryway consoles. The layered textures of wicker, moss, and eggs create a natural and relaxed aesthetic that perfectly fits a rustic spring home. A wooden tray makes an excellent base for a small Easter-themed display. Arrange candles, mini nests, bunny figurines, and greenery on the tray to create a balanced vignette. This type of decor works beautifully on coffee tables, kitchen islands, or dining tables. The tray keeps everything organized while allowing each decorative piece to stand out. It's a simple way to style seasonal decor without making the space feel cluttered. Open shelves provide the perfect space to display small Easter decorations. Combine stacked vintage books, mini potted plants, ceramic bunnies, and wooden signs with subtle Easter messages. Mix different heights and textures to create visual interest. Keeping the color palette soft and neutral helps maintain that cozy rustic feeling. Even a small shelf can become a charming seasonal feature when styled thoughtfully. One of the defining features of rustic decor is the use of natural materials. For Easter, incorporate greenery, branches, dried flowers, and moss throughout your displays. These elements create a connection with nature and bring freshness into your home. Natural textures also balance the decorative pieces, ensuring that the overall design feels calm, organic, and authentic rather than overly styled. Rustic Easter decorating becomes even more beautiful when combined with vintage finds. Old pitchers, distressed frames, antique trays, and wooden boxes can serve as bases for seasonal arrangements. When you mix these timeless pieces with Easter accents like eggs and bunny figures, the result feels layered and full of character. Vintage decor gives your home a story while enhancing the charm of spring styling. Rustic Easter decor looks best when the colors remain soft and natural. Think of shades like cream, sage green, dusty pink, pale blue, and light beige. These gentle tones reflect the peaceful beauty of spring and pair perfectly with wooden textures and greenery. Using a limited palette helps your decorations feel cohesive, creating a relaxing environment throughout the entire home. Sometimes the most beautiful decorations are found in small corners of the home. A simple chair with a cozy pillow, a basket of eggs, and a small bunny figurine can instantly create a charming Easter nook. Add a small floral arrangement or candle to complete the scene. These tiny decorative corners bring warmth and personality to spaces that might otherwise feel empty. Texture is an essential element of rustic design. Combine materials like burlap, linen, wood, ceramic, and woven baskets to create depth in your decor. When these textures are layered thoughtfully, they make the space feel warm and inviting. Even simple Easter decorations become more interesting when surrounded by rich natural materials that highlight the farmhouse aesthetic. One of the secrets to beautiful rustic decorating is simplicity. Instead of filling every space with decorations, focus on a few meaningful pieces arranged thoughtfully. A small tray display, a floral arrangement, or a wreath can make a bigger impact than overcrowded decor. This minimalist approach allows each item to shine while maintaining the calm and cozy feeling of a rustic home. Easter decorating is not just about seasonal symbols, it's also about celebrating the arrival of spring. Flowers blooming, brighter sunlight, and fresh greenery inspire a sense of renewal and joy. By incorporating rustic Easter decor into your home, you create an environment that reflects the beauty of the season and invites a peaceful, uplifting atmosphere for everyone who enters. Decorating your home for Easter with rustic charm is a wonderful way to welcome the beauty of spring. From farmhouse wreaths and wooden crate centerpieces to simple bunny accents and fresh flowers, these ideas help create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. With natural textures, soft colors, and vintage touches, your home can feel warm, peaceful, and beautifully seasonal. No matter how many ideas you try, the most important thing is creating a space that feels joyful, comfortable, and ready to celebrate the arrival of spring.